Hey guys, Semmuel here from Durpul, and I want to tell you guys about something that's really cool, which is the 4 P's. So first things first, culture is very, very, very important. As long as you have a phone and it has a camera, this will be the easiest thing that you've ever done to excel your business. If you want to have standout candidates, then you have to stand out. You have to be different. Everybody's doing the same thing. They're posting their link saying, hey, apply here. Hey, $17 an hour here. Hey, dental and vision here. Everybody has dental and vision. Everybody's hiring for 17 an hour. Everybody has Indeed. Everybody has ZipRecruiter. What are you gonna do that's gonna make your company stand out so that way you can find your rockstar candidates and your rockstar team members? That's showcasing, hey, this is where we're at. This is what we're doing. This is how we're doing it. And this is how we would like you to come and do it with us. This is how we want to win, and we're looking for winners. How are you going to separate yourself away from the crowd so that way you can draw one for yourself? If you know that you guys have the best employee Christmas party, you need to showcase that. You need to let them know that. If you know that you get Wing Wednesday and you only do flats, I mean, come on, I want to work for you. Sign me up. If you give a company phone or a company vehicle, all of these perks, you need to highlight that. You're selling yourself to the applicant because that's what you need. You need great people, and great people want to work for great people. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.